Good morning, students. How are you? All are fine? Okay, so yesterday we have already studied about the how the different parts of body work in a different way. Okay, so today let's continue. Okay, so here are the some examples. Yesterday I made a mistake that we have a 5 fingers on each hands. Okay, so it was written 5 fingers in hand, but it should be on each hand. Okay, so 5 fingers we have each hands and 5 toes in each foot. So altogether there are 10 fingers and 10 toes. Okay, so now let's go. We already studied that we carry our school bag on our shoulder. So this one the picture that we have seen. Okay, so today I'm going to start some more things. Okay, now look at here. So let me to ask you some question. What this boy is doing here? Yes, he is climbing on ladder. Okay, very good, very good. Now tell me which parts of body he is using. Very good, legs and hand. Okay, now let's see the next one. What this man is doing? Okay, this man is riding a bicycle. Okay, so which body part he is using? Okay, very good, he is using the both hands and leg. Okay, so now let's see the next one. What this man is doing? Oh, he's playing tabla. Wow, very good, very good. So which body part he's using? Yes, he's using only the tabla hands. Okay, he's playing tabla and he's using only the hand. Okay, now let's see to the next one. What this girl is doing? Oh yes, she is dancing. Okay, she is using both hands and leg. Okay, now let's see this one. What this boy is doing? Oh, he's eating a food. Yes, so which body parts he's using? Yes, so he is using only the hands, not the leg. Okay, so page number 17, there is activities time. So you have to tick the activities that you do use both your hand as well as feet. Okay, so here are the some pictures, so you have to tick that one which we use, in which activities we do both with our legs and hand. Okay, now let's go to the next topic. Okay, so today we are going to study about the sense organs. Okay, we already knows we have a 5 sense organs: ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to know things around us. Okay, so here we can see we have a 5 sense organs: eyes, ear, nose, tongues and skin. They help us to know things around us. Okay, so how many sense organs do we have? We have a 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So how do they help us? They help us to know the things around us. Okay, so keep it in mind. Okay, so now let's see the eyes. Okay, in eyes, our eyes help us to see different things around us. So we already know the eyes help us to see the things around us. With the help of eyes, we can see to our mom, dad, brother, sister. Also, it helps us to read the book. Okay, so eyes help us to see the things. Okay, now if you are reading, then you have to see the you need eyes to see. Okay, if you want to color, then it's that also to know which color it is, the eye tell us which color it is. Okay, so and also the eye tell us which shape it is. Okay, either it is a square or rectangle or oval. So eyes tells us which shape it is. Okay, and also eyes help us to watch television. Yes, so when we see the television, that eye help us to see television. Okay, now the next one is tongue. Okay, so what is the next one? Next one is tongue. We taste different things with our tongues. Yes, tongues help us to taste. Okay, so like if when we eat ice cream, then the tongue tells us whether it is a sweet or whether it is a bitter. Okay, when we eat salty things, then our tongue tells us if we when we are eating sure, it tells us. Okay, so all these tongues help us to know the things what the taste it is. Okay, so do you understand? Now look at the picture. Yes, yummy. Yeah, when we have ice cream, then we say, wow, we have a yummy, it is very tasty. Okay, so now one thing we have to keep in mind, students, that do you know butterfly have a taste organ in their legs? What they have? They have butterfly have taste organs in their legs. We have a taste organs in our tongue, inside of our mouth, but the butterfly have their taste organs in their legs. So once more, look at here. Eyes help us to see different things around us, and the tongues help us to taste the different things. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. Okay, now the next one is nose. Okay, so next one is nose. We have 5 sense organs, and the next one is here we are saying nose. We smell and breathe with our nose. We smell and breathe with our nose. Now you are sitting, you are breathing. Yes, if you have a small brother or sister in your home, baby, then go and see, they are breathing. Okay, so every human beings, all living creature, they breathe. Okay, and now here also we see that the nose help us to smell and breathe. Okay, so spelling is wrong here. Okay, so you may correct it. That is SMELL. Okay, so here is a wrong, and maybe it's a typing mistake. Okay, anyway, so and when the mommy cooks something in the kitchen, so we can understand the yummy food is mommy is preparing. Okay, so nose tells us, yes, today mommy is cooking a nice food, isn't it? So nose tells us the smell. And also when we take some flowers, when some smell comes from flowers, also the nose tells us. Okay, so the next one is ears. So next one is the ears. Our ears help us to hear. Okay, our ears help us to hear. When we listen music, that the ear tells us what types of music it is. Okay, and when the vehicles blow horn, then ear tells us we have to move side. Okay, so ears. And when the teacher is taking your class, then what happen? The teachers help when the teacher says something, that ears help us to listen. Okay, so this is the another that is body part, sense organs, that is sense organs which help us to hear. Okay, I'm sorry, sometime I because of the disturb I couldn't. Okay, anyway, the last one is skin. we touch and feel with our skin. Okay, we touch and feel with our skin. When something goes inside of our skin, we get pain. Yes, and if there is just so hot in outside, then the skin tells us, yes, today is so hot. Okay, now look at these two girls. They are sitting in front of the fan, and because of the ear they can feel, yes, it's cool. Okay, so this one, these are the five sense organs. Okay, once more, what are they? Let's see what are they, that five sense organs. The first one is eyes, which help us to see. The second one is tongue. We taste different things with our tongue. And the third, and here we have noted, do you know that that the butterfly have a taste organs in their legs? Okay, so now let's see. Now the third one is nose, which help us to smell and breathe. And number 4 is ears, which help us to hear the loud music. Okay, and then the number 5th is skin. Skin help us to feel and touch. Now dear students, one thing we have to keep it in mind, loud noise is not good for us. It can give us a headache or even make us deaf. Okay, so it's not good to listen loud music. Okay, so if you like loud music, then very soon you are going to become a deaf. So don't listen loud music. Okay, even don't put your earphone every time. Do you understand? So these are the 5 sense organs that we have. Okay, so now let's go to the quick review. Today we are going to complete this lesson. Now see the quick review once more quickly. Okay, once more in a final. Our body has many parts. Our body has many parts, which we have already studied. Okay, and then the next one is we can do different things with our body parts. We can do different things with our body part. And now the fourth one is ear, eyes, ear, nose, tongues and skin are called sense organs. And the number 4 is we should take care of our body. Yes, definitely we have to take care of our body. Okay. Okay, student, so I think you are enjoying this class. Do you enjoy? Oh, yes. Sometimes David sir make a boring class, is it? Okay. Thank you. Okay, anyway, thank you. Bye, children. And study well. Listen to the advice of your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay, bye-bye.